What up, guys? So I got these new headlights. They're glass conversion headlights, and you can put an H4 bulb in them, and I have a H4 LED bulb, and they're pretty nice, and it's they're pretty cheap. They're like $25 each for the lens on Amazon, and they are glass, not plastic. Like my Jeep has that plastic over there, and it likes to fade. They got the halos in there, but see how they're all faded. But thought I'd throw some yellow tint haze on the headlights, try it out, see how it looks like. I think it might look cool. We'll see. Right, lights are out. So it's got a nice little clip on the back. You just squeeze those. That's the headlight I have in there. They're really good headlights. Right. And here is the tint that I'm using, air tint. Got it off Amazon, so we'll see how well it works. Looks like it's just a peel and stick, so it's like a sticker. So hopefully it's fairly decent. All right, so I went and cut 2 smaller strips of the roll, 2 smaller pieces that'll fit this a little closer, so that way you're not just holding everything up. Just some great value Windex, because we cheap out here.
Paper's kind of all rolled up. Sure. Better rip it off.
Got my sheet here. Actually, just gonna place it on there. Let's see. heat the edges to kind of get that to wrap around. Seems like that worked pretty nicely. There's a before and after. This stuff's actually pretty nice. If you look at it, it has this weird grid pattern. I don't think it's gonna show up. There it goes. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a wing or something, like a bug wing. I don't know how to describe that. You can see it. It's got all these little, I think they're for air, the air relief. So that way you don't get any bubbles. It's pretty nice though. It lays down pretty nice. It does good with the heat around the edges. So maybe don't use a torch if you got a heat gun. Maybe use that. But yeah, definitely looks good. So yeah. All right, so that second one was a lot better. If you actually heat it up and stretch it on there, it works pretty good. So if you have a heat gun, that's definitely the best way to do it. So, but yeah, they look pretty good. Went on there nice, real nice, no bubbles, no creases. All right, so there they are on there. Look pretty damn good. So I'll put a link down for where I got all this stuff. Put an Amazon link down below, so you guys, if you want to do this tint yourself, or these headlights, or this LED bulb, I'll try to list all of them on there. But yeah, I like it. Thought I'd test it out on the mirror too. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.